Creating a business plan for your restaurant. Now, this is critical. Every good business in general, not just food businesses, not just restaurants, need a good business plan. Okay, a business plan is the foundation of your idea. It's what your idea looks like on paper. It's how you can structure your plan. You know, you're thinking about it in your head and all the ideas and stuff, but you need to put it on paper in a business plan so you can see exactly how it will work financially, timeline wise, and it will just give you an idea of whether it's a good concept, a good idea, good vision, work financially. So let's get to this. Okay, now I've actually built you a brand new business template with example text on it for you to download after watching this video. So after this video, we'll pop up a link to download a business plan for you to fill out. Read the text, the content that I've implemented in it, because that's an example of what to put in it. But obviously delete the text and put your own in. And these are the 5 key points that I've always used in my business plans. And I also give this business plan to any client of mine. So let's get to this. So we have research thoroughly. Okay. Gather data on market trends, customer preferences, and competitors. Analyze to inform your business plan. So this is critical. Okay. Market research in general about everything, because much research as you can do will give you a better business plan and a better outlook of your the business in general. Okay, and you need to be clear and concise. Present information in a straightforward manner using bullet points, charts, and visuals to enhance readability. Set realistic goals. Establish achievable short-term and long-term goals with specific metrics to track progress and success. Seek feedback. So share your business plan with mentors, industry experts, or trusted advisors to get valuable feedback and insights. Another good thing to do with a business plan to get honest feedback is to reach out to investors, even if you're not actually asking for it, you're not needing their investment, but just to get their feedback of the business plan. It will give you a great indication of whether or not it's written well, if the idea itself is actually a good concept. So once you've finished the business plan and you've had a look at it yourself 2 or 3 times and just maybe edited, changed a few things, and you've maybe asked your partner to read over it or whatever you, of course, if you are looking for investment, then, you know, send it to an investor. But if you're not actually needing investment, I would still recommend sending it to an investor of restaurants and just ask them, you know, I'm looking at setting up a restaurant at some point in the future. Can you have a look at this business plan I put together, and what's your honest feedback about it? Because I really appreciate the honest, blunt feedback about it, because the more blunt and honest feedback you get, the better your amendments can be, and the better the content in the business plan will become. And as a result of that, the actions and decisions that you make from the business plan will basically generate a better business. Okay, so once you've done that, if you update regularly, so review and revise your business plan periodically to reflect changes in the market, industry, or internal operations for continued relevance and effectiveness. So have a little research in these 5 points. Download the business plan, have a read through the content that I put in there first, and then start to fill it out. And if you have any questions, then please reach out to the group, the community, or myself, and we can help you fill it out for you. Okay, enjoy, take your time, be accurate, and remember, be clear and concise. See you later in the next section.